I'm Julian Merluzzi, and I teach drums and percussion at housecallmusic. This is my friend Jack Smith, saxophone player, musical collaborator, writer, so he's fun to play with. So today we're going to be talking about playing the melody as a drummer, and what goes into that. So for starters, let's have Jack play the melody to We See by Thelonious. Now this is a 32-bar form, AAVA. Each section is 8 bars, so it's fairly familiar, fairly simple form. But we need to know how to get in there and accent a lot of the melody. Right out. 1, 2. So now that we've heard the full statement of the melody, my job as a drummer is to try to learn that in full and accent a lot of what Jack is playing. So first step in doing that is playing the melody only on the snare drum. So I'll be playing time in my bass drum and hi-hat just to keep things steady, but only using the snare drum. So here we go. 1, 2. Cool. So we play the melody just on the snare drum. Now the next step is, playing the melody in a little more sophisticated way, using the different parts of the drum set, knowing when to get in and get out, knowing what little things to add in order to accent, parts of the melody that aren't played. So that's the next step. So let's give that a try. 1, 2. So we played the entire melody on the full drum set, using different sounds on the snare drum, using only cymbals, using the bass drum, or everything all together. So it's a lot about trial and error and what works, what provides the most clarity for the listener. So now the next step is to play the melody with another person. So in this case we have Jack. And I have to worry about playing parts of the melody with him, playing in between the melody that he is playing, and most of all being supportive of the melody. You don't want to be too flashy. So the first step, we're going to use only the ride cymbal, hi-hat, bass drum, and snare. And I'm just going to be using them in a time-keeping sense, accenting parts of the melody on the snare drum and on the bass drum, but keeping it pretty relaxed and cool. Right? Okay, let's give that a try. Right on. 1, 2. So that's just another way to accent the melody, right? So now the next step is, how do I spice it up a little bit? How do I, leave more space or leave less space? Play under him, play in between his melody, or play the melody exactly. So the next step is incorporating all these different ideas and using the full drum set in order to convey all those ideas, right? So now this time around, I'm going to be mixing things up a little bit, adding more, maybe taking away some things in certain sections of the tune. So let's give that a try. 1, 2. So now that we've played the melody on snare drum using the full drum set, we played it with another person in a timekeeping sense. After that, we played it in a more personalized way. Now it's to the next level. So we have our own arrangement of Luisi, and we've experimented with all these different options and ways of playing it. And the arrangement involves different time signatures, different textures, playing out of time completely. So it's about experimenting with your fellow musicians and finding things that work for you all. So without further ado, let's play the outro.
Thank you.